So hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to unbox a special product, and it's a keyboard, but it's not a normal type of keyboard. It's very special, and I'll tell you why. It's a hi-fi audio mechanical keyboard, and it's very special. So it comes in a very nice and good box. You can see this is FiiO mechanical keyboard. Its model number is KB3, and I have already tested it, but it was just to show you that how you will get it if you purchase it. So let's unbox it again. So you can see that the packaging is very nice, and here is your quick start guide, and here are some other writing things, and here is our keyboard. These are the cables. Look, I have already used it, and this is for your keys if you want to replace them. And let's show you the keyboard. Here is our keyboard, and comment down below, do you like the packaging? And I think the packaging was very fine. Let me assemble it again for you. So these are all the things you will get in the box. You can also see the screenshot, and must read the manual. It will really help you a lot because it's a different type of keyboard. Now, just like I was saying, that it's very special, and it's because of this thing. It's a 2-in-1 keyboard, and what I mean is that it has a high performance DAC and amp chip, and which is capable of providing 550 milliwatt of output power, and which is really good if you have some high quality audio products, and you want to enjoy high quality sounds and lossless audio experience. And you can see that it's a 3.5mm single-ended and 4.4mm balanced headphone jacks, and it will work a lot for you. And as far as the switches are concerned, they are Gateron G Pro 3.0 yellow keys, and which are swappable. And here you can see that a stepless volume knob has also been provided, and which is really cool. Let me zoom in for you. So it's very good, and overall the build quality of the keyboard is very fantastic. It's a very well made keyboard, and it's heavy. And for the first time I have saw a keyboard like this, because it's very heavy. So what I was talking about is that it's very heavy, but it's very stable. You see that it is very stable. It's very stable, and here are the things which you can use for its stability. There are 2 things which you can use, so it's all for your comfort. And you can see these 4 sections have also been provided. So overall the build quality is very nice, and I really like it. And you haven't seen the RGB of this keyboard, which I will show you later. It's very lightning. So friends, now I'm going to show you that how it is assembled. And you can see that there are 3 ports available: USB 1, and then there is type C, and then there is USB 2. They both are same, but just 1 and 2 for reference only. So now, for example, you can see that I can pick any side and put it in there. and I am going to use this. So here we go. This is just I'm showing you that how it works and how it is going to ease your work, and it will give you so much comfort in your work. Here we go. Well, let me just off my lights so that you can enjoy it more. So here you can see that how amazing it is looking. I will show you all the clips of it, but first I have to show you that how it works. It's very necessary. So you can see that the wire is very lengthy, very big wire, and it's all for your comfort. So for example, now I want to use my headphone. So this is the headphone which I want to use. It's also from FiiO. So first I was going to use it like this. So you see, then there is so much wiring and uncomfortable experience, but now I can just plug it in here and all is well. That's it. Now I can sit back on my chair and use it as I want to, and it's very comfortable experience. And the most important part is that the audio is lossless. It's the same as you are listening to a laptop. It's very amazing. In fact, it's more good because the chips which FiiO is using are very highly effective, and they are very high performance chip. So it's a very good product for audiophiles and gamers. It's basically a 2-in-1 keyboard, and I really liked it. In fact, there is an app for firmware update, but I'm not going to show you that because the video is going to get too much long. But there is an app in which you can customize your whole keyboard and experience. So there are so many things to discuss, and I really liked this FiiO keyboard. So friends, you can see that this is so much good experience. Directly plug in your headphones into a keyboard and enjoy the music as well, and it is comfortable to you as well. And here you can lower the volume and up the volume, and similarly pause the video if you want. So this keyboard is basically all about your comfortable experience, because it's going to give you the comfort you need, and that's everything. So you can see friends that such an amazing experience I have with this keyboard. And now I'm going to show you how the keys works. I will just type random. Let me show you, and mind my typing because I'm not a great typer. So in my opinion, how does it sound? It sounds fantastic. What I can call it, that it's not noisy, and it's like for example, the lightning is very light and bright. It's not dim, but the sound is not as explosive, and it's very calm and composed sound. What I call it, it's I think very decent and gentle sound. It's not explosive in my opinion. And the keys are very strong, and their position is very balanced and strong, and they don't feel loose. So that's what I feel about it. So here is my headphone, and here is the keyboard, and the experience is absolutely fantastic. So my recommendation to you would be that if you want to have an experience like this, then of course I would greatly recommend you, because it is going to give you a lot of comfort. So friends, it was just a one-time review. I hope I haven't missed anything, but I am open to your comments. You can comment down below and ask me any type of questions, and I will reply you immediately. Its price is from $150, and it's absolutely justifiable price. And this keyboard is very different from others, and FiiO has absolutely nailed it with their performance, and the build quality is absolutely incredible. Like when you feel it in your hands, that it's very impressive build quality. And similarly, if I want to use a mouse or any other type of products, I just don't have to use it directly on my desktop or my laptop. I will use this keyboard instead. Like it's like a mini PC kind of, and it's really great. So my recommendation is 100% that you can buy this product, and you will never ever be disappointed. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any questions, must ask me in the comments and I will reply you. Thank you for watching my whole video. Be happy, be in peace. Goodbye.